How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location region on your iPhone. Okay, so we're going to head on over to settings. Mine is right here, but as always, you can swipe down from the middle of your screen like so, and just type in settings like so. Here's the icon, just click on that. And now we're going to scroll down right here where it says general, click on that. Okay, and now let's go right here where it says language and region, click there. And as you can see, my first option where it says iPhone language, it says English. Okay, we're gonna click on that. And as you can see, there are many languages available. We got English Canada, English India, English Ireland. So all the different versions of English. Of course, we got Chinese, we got Japanese, Spanish, French, Portuguese, Korean, Swedish, Vietnam, Polish, Greek. We have them all. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll up. And in this case, in this example, I'm going to choose the second option, which says Spanish from Mexico. I'm gonna click on that. And as you can see, it's going to say change to Spanish, Mexico. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that and we'll be back in a couple of seconds. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the language has been changed from English to Spanish. As you can see, all the wording here is in Spanish. And if we go into the main menu, my home page, scroll up from the bottom of the screen like so, and as you can see, all the naming is in Spanish now. Instead of pictures, it says photos. Instead of settings, it says configuración. And everything you read, all the options are going to be now in the language that you selected. So I'm gonna head on back. I'm gonna change it back to English. Okay, so go here, select English. Okay, so as you can see, we are back to English. And I also wanted to show you guys this other options right here. As you can see, it says preferred language order. In my case, since I have two languages selected and I can flip between the two, I can prioritize one over the other. So if I want to prioritize Spanish, for example, I can just select right here. I'm gonna hold it and just gonna move it up like so. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna hit cancel because I don't want to restart, but that's basically what you need to do. So I'm gonna hit cancel. You see it reverted back. And now the other options we have are right here where it says calendar. You can choose either Gregorian, Japanese, or Buddhist. Okay, head on back. Okay, the temperature unit, you can choose it between Celsius or Fahrenheit. Hit back. And basically that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and this way I can give you guys a lot more tips.